guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing Cornwall. Today we're down here at Bill's Pool in St Erth and we're going to be doing some carp fishing. Right, so we're making up our ground bait. So in the box we've just got some frozen maggots from a previous session, and our mix is red krill swim stem. So to make your ground bait, we're just going to cut the top, and we're going to pour in. We're here for the day, so we're going to put in quite a lot. So we'll probably put in about that much, and save. I'll put a little bit more, and save the rest in for the rest of the day. Oh, there ain't much left. Just use it all up. Right, and then what you want to do is get some water and mix it up to the right consistency. Right, so with the water, you don't want to put loads in. You want to mix it up so it's not, so you can put it into a bowl, but not so that it's really clumpy and sticky. So that isn't enough in there. Yeah, need a little bit more. That should be enough. And there, look, it sticks together. It's probably still a little bit dry, actually. So there, look, it'll stick together, but when it goes in, it'll crumble. Right, so the tactics we're using today, Jack's going to be feeder fishing,
yep,
and I'm going to be doing some float fishing. So where are you going to be fishing?
I'm going to be fishing about out there.
Out by the 2 islands?
Yeah, quite near out the islands. Hopefully there'll be something out there for me to catch.
And I'm going to just be fishing in here in the margin, see if I can pick up some carp on the float. Right, so I've just introduced some bait into the swim. The bait I'm going to be using, I'm just going to stick on some maggots. So I'm going to go for just some reds. We got mixed, but I'm just going to go with some reds. Putting 3 on the hook. And there's a special way how you hook them, and I'll show you that later on. But what you want is to have them wriggling. So you want them still wriggling. So I'm just going to flick my rig out. I'm not fishing that far out, I'm just fishing in the margin. So my float's out. There it is. And now we just got to wait for a bite. And I've plumbed the depth, so it's ready. And there was a part that there was a perch. He's after the small rod and all, but I'm after a carp. I had a bite then. just got a roach on. Actually, oh, it's a nice rod I've got. It's just a nice rod I got on.
That's actually not a bad size, actually.
There he is. Let's unhook him. Now this fish has actually swallowed the hook. So you want to use a gorger. So this is a gorger. And all you want to do,
What might there here?
it just lets some slack out. I don't know if you can see, but it's in his mouth. It's gone right down in there. So what you want to do, just put your line on,
Gently.
side it down gently, so it just
And it's
comes out.
And then the fish is just right there. There
Nice
you go.
little rod.
And now he's going to put it back in the water. Gone. First fish of the day.
Okay, 3 red maggot. Actually, the bites that I'm getting now is him. Got one. I've got a carp. Got a carp. It's alright. Actually, this one is foul hook. And he's come off there. He's foul hook.
Unlucky.
Well, the cyclist's over. But at
Hopefully
least
he'll
we
get
know
another one.
we're fishing. Now we know there's carp in the swim, and there's a big perch down here, and he's after the roach. There's some float. Yeah, last time he was down here, I managed to foul hook one, there's one. Last time he was down here, we actually managed to hook one in the bum. So, there's quite a few carp actually in the swim. So, there's actually a ghostie right down here by me. Got this fish on. Yeah. So this is his first fish actually. It's on the float. It's playing quite hard. It's a little small ghostie.
So that's not actually a bad go. He's off. If you hear that reel going off, in it, Mike?
Yeah. So I'm just setting up the gauge.
Yep, we've got to go. Yeah. So you wouldn't be able to see it right now.
Actually, down in the square,
Down there, you could
there's actually a ghost
see about.
It's starting to come now. There he is. There he is.
There he is.
On the
Can you see
surface.
it? There you go.
Get him in the net.
We are now going to the footage of the GoPro landing the fish.
So that's just a nice little common, and the hook's just in the bottom of his mouth.
First carp of the day. It's not bad.
Making the hooks out. It's only a small one, but what a way to start the day.
Yeah, it's quite good.
Let's get some pictures. So here are some photos of the fish.
You are now on the GoPro attachment on my chest. Well, this one has a bit of fight. A big one. It's not going to be nothing like my 14-pounder. Took probably about 40 minutes to come out. Joking. Yeah. That's what I caught up in Marizion fishery. That's just scary to look at. Oh yeah, in BK there's a lot of demented ones. Oi, take it up. Yeah, like me. Right, there it is. You can just see it. That's so scary. Right, I haven't held one for a long time, so I don't know how you do it, but you don't know what he's looking at. Oh, I'm scared.
Missing an eye, but on this other side.
Poor thing.
So let's get back.
Right, if you just GoPro's filming, you just want to look at it. Right, the GoPro is filming right now, so you'll be on the GoPro vision now. Can't see, that's why probably it's going down. Here's some photos of my fish. Thanks for watching.
Remember to like, comment and subscribe.
Watch our next video. Bye.
Bye.